Now friends, verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. First we have to verify that R3 are zeros of this cubic polynomial. Further, we write here p of x is equal 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. I substitute 3 in place of x. मैं x की जगह पे 3 लिखता हूं, तो जिधर जिधर x होगा उधर उधर हमको ध्यान रखो फ्रेंड्स. ब्रैकेट क्यूब 5 ब्रैकेट क्यूब minus 11 ब्रैकेट minus 3. I substitute 3 in place of x in this cubic polynomial. Where x, there 3 as it is. 3 cube 27, 5 3 square 9, 11 3 is 33 minus 3, 27 3 is 81, 9 5 is 45 minus 33 minus 3. Here 81 दशमलव 4 81 minus 81 is 0. देखो, the remainder is 0, so we can say 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now, for once again, I substitute minus 1 in place of x. 3 bracket cube minus 5 bracket square minus 11 bracket minus 3. I substitute minus 1 here minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1. I write here 3, so write here 3. Then the remaining picture same to same. यानी मैंने x की जगह पे 3 लिखा, तो सभी जगह पे x की जगह पे 3 लिखना है. दूसरे डिजिट को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, वो as it is रहेगा. Here 3 minus 1 cube. Friends, minus 1 cube यानी minus 1 into minus 1. Negative positive into minus 1. So last answer is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 square. Minus 1 square क्या आएगा? minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So negative into negative positive. वैसे भी नेगेटिव नंबर का इवन पावर होता है तो उसका आंसर पॉजिटिव ही आता है. नेगेटिव नंबर का ऑड पावर होता है तो उसका आंसर नेगेटिव ही आता है. minus 11 into minus 1 plus 11 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 11 minus 11, it will be 0. So we got it, value is 0. Now we look the other third part. P of x is equal 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. In place of x we substitute here. I substitute minus 1 by 3 here, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now here we write 3 minus 1 का क्यूब होगा minus 1 and 3 cube 27 minus 5 minus 1 का स्क्वायर होगा plus 1 3 square 9. Here minus plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Here 9 3 का 3 3 cut. So 993. Its LCM be 9. Fraction. तो क्या रहेगा हमारा एक्शन? LCM. Year 1 minus 1. Year 1 5. Year 3 33. Year 9 27. I explained in basic video also it. 9 LCM है, सब जगह पे 9 लेना है. I multiply year 1, multiply in numerator 1. Year 1. Year 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा. And in denominator here is 1, so I multiply year 9, multiply year 9. ये प्राइमरी सेक्शन वाला मेथड हो गया, लेकिन हम दो स्टेप हम बीच वाले लिखते नहीं है और 10th में वो लिखना भी नहीं. Now friends, the simplify 33 minus 33 is 0 upon 9, so its answer be 0. Now we can see when I substitute 3 in place of x, minus 1 in place of x, and also minus 1 3 in place of x, all has the remainder is 0. So we can say here 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of given polynomial. Now friends, we have to also verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Friends, I write here the formula. याद करो, sum of zero of cubic polynomial minus d by sum of product of two zeros is c by, and third one product of zeros is minus d by. Here we know these three formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal minus d by alpha beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal c by, and alpha into beta into gamma is equal minus d by. We have to verify relation between these two, so we write here at last. Here sum of zero alpha plus beta plus gamma. Suppose I write here alpha is equal 3, beta is equal minus 1, and gamma is equal minus 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal 3 minus 1 by 3. I take here LCM. Here 3 9. ये दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 है. 3 1 1 उसका एलसीएम 3 आएगा. इधर 3 लाने के लिए क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? here 3 9. here 3 3. here 1 3 and here 1. 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 1 1 जा 1. 9 minus 4 by 3. So we write here 5 by 3. Friends, देखो एक पॉजिटिव आया और हमारे फॉर्मूला में है minus d by. This is positive 5, so we write minus 5 by 3 minus. What is minus 5? So minus 5 is the coefficient of x square. We write here minus 5 is coefficient of x square. In denominator 3, we can see 3 is a coefficient of x cube. Now second one we look here, alpha plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is the value of alpha? Here 3 into minus 1 -1 into -1 by 3 plus -1 by 3 into 3. Here we can say 3 3 cut. 3 into -1 -3, negative negative positive, so 1 by 3 and here -1. We take here LCM 3. Similarly, इसके जैसा ही करना है, here 3 -9, here 1 1 1, here 3 -3, -9 -3 -12, -12 में से बन जाएगा तो -11 by 3. Now friends, we can see here -11 is the coefficient of x, -11 is the coefficient of x, so we write here directly -11 coefficient of x upon what is 3. So 3 is the coefficient of x cube. 3 is the coefficient of x cube. Now last one, product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma. 3 into -1 into -1 by 3. Here friends, we don't cut this 3 because last term and first term are similar, so we keep 3 as it is, 3 by 3. But this is positive 3, so what we write here? -3 by 3. Here we write, friends, alpha into beta into gamma is equal 3 into -1 into -1 by 3. Here 3 by 3 minus -3 by 3. What is -3? So we keep here minus as it is. -3 is the constant term, क्योंकि इसका फॉर्मूला है फ्रेंड्स -b by, तो उधर माइनस रहना चाहिए, एक पॉजिटिव आया तो पॉजिटिव वाले में आपको माइनस माइनस करना पड़ेगा। -3 की जगह पे कांस्टेंट टर्म आई राइट हियर माइनस कांस्टेंट टर्म and in denominator 3, so we write here coefficient of x cube, सबके डिनोमिनेटर में देखो coefficient of x cube, quadratic polynomial में भी coefficient of x square आता था, लेकिन इसमें x cube आएगा. So we have to solve in this way. It's very easy and very simple, friends. Thank you very much.